Because of an issue in the way the gradebook was set up, there's one small action of cleanup that needs to take place, and it has to do with the grading periods that assignments are assigned to. The way you fix it is you go to Grade, where you hover over Gradebook, and then you go to Assignments. Once in Assignments, you're going to click in Show All Periods, and Grading Periods. And then here you're going to see a list of all the assignments so far in this academic year. And you're going to see a listing of, along the top, you'll see a listing of the different terms that assignment can be assigned to. Now, because we are in IPR 1, Interim Progress Report 1, which is in quarter 1, you want to make sure that all of these assignments are in both quarter 1 and IPR 1, and it should be doing this, and it will do this. As of today, it should be doing this automatically. There was a mistake previously. You can see how this one is in quarter 3. Clearly we're not in quarter 3 yet, so you need to uncheck that so that for all of your assignments, they are showing in both IPR 1 and quarter 1. When you've made the adjustments you need to make, click Save, and that will save your work. And then next, you need to go on and do this for each of your classes. So the way you get to your next class is go to the drop-down for the classes, select the next class, again, show all periods, grading periods, and then make the adjustments you need to make. And then save grading periods, and so on through your entire list of classes. The good news is that moving forward, this issue has been addressed. So anytime you make an assignment, from this point on, it should be going into the appropriate term.